Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Balaji Chandrasekharan. Today I will be discussing one of the new features of Java 8, the method reference and the types of method references. As we all know that a method is a collection of statements that perform some specific task and return the result to the caller. In some cases, a method can perform some specific task without returning anything. Methods allow us to reuse the code without retyping the code. In Java 8, we can use the method as if they were objects or primitive values, and we can treat them as a variable. Java provides a new feature called method reference to give a reference to a method. Method reference is used to refer a method of a functional interface. Method reference offers a concise and simplified syntax for referring to methods of functional interfaces. It is compact and easy form of lambda expression. They provide a shortened notation for writing lambda expressions when the lambda expression simply calls a method. Each time when you are using lambda expression to just refer a method, you can replace your lambda expression with method reference. Method references are used to refer to methods of functional interfaces directly. When a lambda expression is used solely to invoke a method on an object or class, it can often be replaced with a method reference. This results in cleaner and more concise code. In Java 8, there are four types of method references newly introduced, each providing a different way to reference a method. They are static method reference, instance method reference of a particular object, instance method reference of an arbitrary object of a particular type, constructor reference. In Java 8, static method reference allows you to reference a static method of a class without explicitly creating a lambda expression. A reference to a static method is denoted by the syntax class name static method name. In this example, integer parseInt is a reference to a static method parseInt of the integer class. The reference is then assigned to a function that takes a string as input and returns an integer using a lambda expression and a static method reference. When parser lambda dot apply and parser method ref dot apply of 1 to 3 are called, they invoke the parseInt method to parse the string 1 to 3 into an integer value. In Java 8, the instance method reference of a particular object allows you to reference an instance method of a specific object without explicitly creating a lambda expression. A reference to an instance method of a particular object is denoted by the syntax object name instance method name. In this example, system.out::println is a reference to the instance method println of the system.out object. This reference is then assigned to a consumer that takes a string as input. When the function's accept method is called, it invokes the println method of the system.out object to print the input string. Instance method reference of an arbitrary object of a particular type allows you to reference an instance method of any object of a specified class without explicitly creating a lambda expression. A reference to an instance method of an arbitrary object of a particular type is denoted by the syntax class name instance method name. In this example, string length is a reference to the instance method length of string object. The reference is then assigned to a function that takes a string as input and returns an integer representing the length of the string. When function's apply method is called with an input Java, it invokes the length method on the Java string object to return its length. The next type is reference to a constructor that allows you to reference a constructor of a class without explicitly creating a lambda expression. A reference to a constructor is denoted by the syntax class name new. In this example, ArrayList New is a reference to the constructor of the ArrayList class. This reference is then assigned to a supplier that takes no arguments and returns a new instance of ArrayList. When supplier.get method is called, it invokes the constructor to create a new ArrayList object. With this, we came to the end of the session. Thanks for watching my video.